In the rain-soaked forest, an ant scurries for its life, seeking refuge beneath a giant leaf. Its journey a desperate dance against the relentless downpour. The forest, drenched and subdued, lies beneath a sky heavy with sorrow, as nature weeps under the weight of the overcast gloom. Amidst the weeping woods, a butterfly of vibrant colors dances on the wind, a fleeting beacon of hope amidst the melancholy. In the rain-soaked forest, a shimmering curtain veils the trees as a butterfly dances close to an ant's humble abode. Amidst the downpour, the butterfly flutters, its delicate wings barely touched by the rain, as it questions the ant's tireless work. "You work all day, don't you ever take a rest?" Undaunted by the weather, the ant diligently tends to his shelter, proclaiming his unwavering belief. "Hard work is my strength." In the rain-soaked forest, the steady downpour drenches the leaves and earth, setting the stage for a silent, deadly hunt. A flash of fur and a glint of eyes. A cat bursts from behind a tree, locking its gaze on a fluttering prize. The butterfly struggles, its delicate wings heavy with rain, as panic sets in against the cat's relentless advance. In the forest, an ant fearlessly darts out, diverting the cat's attention from the graceful butterfly amidst the rainy day. The cat, momentarily bewildered, abandons its chase, captivated by the ant's audacious dance. The ant, a tiny hero in the vast wilderness, becomes the feline's immediate obsession. In the rain-kissed forest, a butterfly witnesses the ant bravely leading the cat away. With heartfelt gratitude, the butterfly softly declares, "Today, you saved my life." The ant responds with simple wisdom, "We must always help each other. That's the true beauty of life."